This is Baby Falls. It's a 15-foot waterfall located in Tellico Plains, Tennessee. Here's me in the purple boat. Right up ahead, where the water disappears, is the edge of the waterfall. I'm about to make a monumental milestone in my paddling career. Hey there, my name is Jer, and welcome back to my channel. Before this video starts, make sure you check out Tony and Caleb's channel, Southern Yak, and also Pete's channel, River Kings. Links will be in the description down below. Anyways, it was Christmas Day. I was laying around. Hello?
Hey man, it's me, Pete. What are you doing tomorrow?
I don't think I'm doing anything.
You're gonna come run the Tellico with me.
What's a Tellico?
You'll be kind of pushing your limits a little bit. It'll be just outside the comfort zone for you, but I think you'll be perfect. I'll see you tomorrow morning at my house at 4 o'clock.
You say 4? Hello? Pete? So here I am, bright and early, wondering if I just made a huge mistake. See, the Tellico Ledges is a class 3 and 4 section of river. Up until now, I've only really run 2s and 3s. Quick side note, rapids are divided into class 1 to class 6. Class 1 is just fast moving flat water. Class 6 is deemed unrunnable and you will probably die. Us, as whitewater boaters, we're generally concerned with classes 2 through 5. For this trip, I was reaching a little bit outside of my comfort zone. It seemed even Old Blue was feeling a little nervous. Well, we ran out of gas. And she needed a little help getting to the river.
Here we go.
Here we go.
We are running again! Yes! We're gonna make it.
So as we put in, I was trying my best to fight my nerves. Tony from Southern Yak will be guiding us down today. Quick side note number 2. It's important to understand boofing. Boofing is used to launch yourself out and away from the ledge and any holes. The consequences of a missed boof can be catastrophic. We make it to the first of the ledges, and I get caught up on a rock hanging off the edge. I teeter and then just fall off. And I have not started out too good. However, from there, the river eases up a bit, and I knock out the next few ledges, no problem. And now we're getting to the waterfall. Next here is a series of rapids known as Crybaby, Baby Falls, and Diaper Wiper. My confidence is sky high. I work my way through Crybaby and up to Baby Falls. Seeing this waterfall up close gave me a whole new perspective. Luckily, I'm able to hit my roll, but at this point, I'm too slow to hit the waterfall right. Here's Caleb, Tony's son, showing us the proper way to run a waterfall, with a good boof and good form. Here's me with a late boof stroke and my arms up in the air like a goofball. Next up, Diaper Wiper. Watch the line Pete takes and then look at my line. Notice the subtle differences in boat angle and boat placement. Also notice where the rock is. These factors will make a huge difference. So here's that whole series of rapids at full speed. Now, with all that behind me, I focused on making my way through the rest of the river. I've found a rhythm, and at this point, my mental game is back up. We're now grouped up above Jared's knee. This is the most dangerous part of the run. Jared's knee is a long class 4 rapid with serious injury potential. It's not too late to get out and walk around it, but I wasn't going to let the river win today. So I reached up, hit my GoPro, and nothing. I couldn't believe it. My GoPro had stopped working, so I had no film of Jared's knee.
You had one job, GoPro.
Luckily, Pete in the yellow boat and Nate in the blue boat still had working GoPros. We eventually made it down to the takeout, and I really wanted another shot at running Baby Falls. But the light was fading, and we had a long drive home. Sometimes you lose. All throughout the drive, all I could think about was there was still so much I needed to practice on the rivers around me, and there was still so much I needed to learn. It's also important to understand there's a huge difference between falling down a river and picking clean lines through it. But despite all that happened, I'm still really glad I went. Thanks for stopping by today, and I'll leave you with Pete's heroic line at Baby Falls.